Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 514 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. So what I have right here is a sample that I got from an Ulta sample bag. I have it in the shade Saint Tropez, but the full-size version of this retails for $16 and it is so high rated. It's so high rated on the Ulta website that it's actually considered a fan fave, which makes me so excited to try it out. I love trying out those really hyped up products. And also this comes in 30 different shades. 30 different shades of a lip gloss. And when I looked at the different shades, they were such a range. You can get some like deep shades, you can get light nudes, you can get sparkly. Oh my gosh. This one here is so beautiful. I actually didn't really know what shade I was going to be pulling out here. And look at the size of this sample. This is really great. But so let me swatch this. You get a rounded tip applicator. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is full pigment. That is like liquid lipstick level pigment. This shade is so pretty. It's like a raspberry pink with a gold sheen. I feel like I got so lucky for getting this shade as my sample. So let's see how it looks on my lips. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how pretty this looks. Hopefully it looks as pretty on my lips. For some reason, my lips are like kind of painful today. Like they don't even feel extra chapped, but they just kind of feel like sunburned, even though I wasn't in the sun. I don't really know what's going on, but I'm also gonna see how hydrating and nourishing this is on my lips. Oh my gosh, I didn't even smell this, but when I was applying it to my lips, I noticed the scent right away. And it's such a nice, like, sweet vanilla kind of creme brulee scent, which is just like such a classic nostalgic scent, and I really like it. I'm also loving this applicator. It's very flexible and easy to use. And the applicator holds a lot of product on it, so I didn't even have to dip back in at all to do my entire lips. Wow. This is such great pigment. That's just one pretty thin layer, and that's really all you need to have full opaque color. This color is so pretty, but that shine, that gold reflection just takes it to the next level. Okay, for the fun of it, I am just gonna go in with another layer to see how it builds up. It kind of makes it look a little bit more gold when I layer it on top of it, but you do not need a second layer. It barely made a difference. This looks amazing on the lips. It seriously is full opaque color that I would consider this basically a liquid lipstick, but it feels so good on my lips. Even my painfully dry lips feel so good, and it's very smooth. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's not sticky at all, and I am obsessed with this color. I'm so excited to wear this so often. So glad I have this in my collection now. Since it's such full color, I'm tempted to do a kiss test and see the transfer. I mean, this doesn't claim to be super long lasting, and it is a lip gloss, so I know there's going to be transfer, but oh well, I'll just try it. Yeah, so a beautiful full kiss mark. But it is still looking so good on my lips. So this is still a pretty long lasting lip gloss, and it's just so enhancing to my lips. It's not a plumping lip gloss, but I feel like it really did smooth out the lines in my lips and just made my lips look so good. Even with that gold sheen, I feel like this is such a wearable shade for really like any makeup look, any time of day. I definitely agree with those high ratings. This is a fan fave, but also a Christy fave. And let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts are, what some of your favorite colors are, because this is definitely a product that I want to try out in so many other shades. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.